One of the beauty of living by yourself is creating your moment at any time. And for me, what brings me joy is cooking and setting my table. So today is a typical Wednesday. I feel like having steak and I'm going to set up my table. My mom is coming over later and I'm going to make that delicious braised steak. It's simple but pack of flavor. I don't need a lot of things, just my spices. It's basically it's salt and pepper, but for me, I cannot live without this ingredient. And I'm also added this roasted garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season them with that spice, sear them, and create a delicious sauce with red wine, chicken broth, onion, garlic, thyme, parsley, butter. It is simple but packed of flavor. So I'm taking you on that journey with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. First, I'm going to season the meat. I only use that board for my meat, so that's what I'm going to do. And as you can see, I have all the spice here, so I'm going to mix them together to season the meat. And as I said, it's simple but packed with flavor. So I'm going to sear them on both sides, season them on both sides, and then I'm going to cook them on the oil. And you have to make it and come back and tell me how do you like it. It's truly delicious, and you have to stay because you have to see what I'm going to serve my steak with. My mom is going to make what I'm going to serve my steak with. I don't let her see how my season the meat because my mom is a typical Haitian. That's not how she season her meat. Now we're going to cook. We're going to sear them. My cast iron is hot, so now I'm going to sear. My meat. It's really hot. And as I said, probably 2 minutes on each side. Just 2 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to flip them for the other side to sear. Smells so good. Now the onion, they have caramelized. I'm going to add the garlic for just probably 1 minute because you don't want the garlic to burn. It smells so good. Now the garlic has cooked. I'm going to add the tomato paste. Not much. It smells so good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to deglaze the pan with the wine. That's 1 cup. It's my kitchen if I want to make it more than 1 cup, but it's 1 cup. Yeah, that's enough. I'm going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes before adding the broth. Smells so good. Now it has been simmered for like 2 minutes. I'm going to add the broth, like about 1 cup, not a lot. Yeah, I think that's enough. Smells so good. And one thing I'm going to add, I didn't tell you, it's I'm going to add 1 splash of balsamic vinegar. You don't have to, but I like it. All these flavors, and then now my parsley and thyme. And then this is simple. I'm going to add the meat in the sauce. I'm going to let it cook for about 1 hour, and then we will serve it. But I'll decrease the fire too, just so you know. We cannot lose that, right? I just want to taste, to make sure, that you don't need anything else. Look at that. Perfection. Delicious. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'm going to let that simmer for about 1 hour on low fire, and then we are going to see my mom making what I'm serving this with, and we are going to eat. Oh, my sauce is ready. It is absolutely beautiful, smells good, and mom is making her side here. I am done with mine. So afterwards, we're going to eat together, and you're going to try, and you're going to let me know. Now it's time to set up the table. Just simple. It's just for a little Wednesday dinner, just me and my mom. We are going to have a good time, mother-daughter time. And as I said, these simple moments, they create great memories and they bring the greatest joy. So I'm just setting the table. She's done, she's sitting. And after that, we are going to eat. One thing I forgot to mention to you, that love that I have to set my table, that love that I have for cooking, it is all from my mom. Because since I was a little girl, she's always cooking, she's always creating dishes for me and my older brother, and that love stays in me. So today we are just going to enjoy time. She made the corn. We said that my moulin in Creole, so she made that, and I made the steak, and it's beautiful. Like we are cooking together, so creating memories, perfect time. If only you could smell that dish, if only you could smell the kitchen, all those flavors, absolutely a pleasure for my eyes, for my palate, and also like for my nose. Like it's all the senses. And now the big taste, we are going to taste. I'm waiting for my mom to have her piece so we can cheers with the meat, and we are going to taste it. It's a moment of truth. Let's do that. Oh my gosh. Absolutely delicious. Délicieux, délicieux, délicieux. Perfect. tender, absolutely delicious. You have to try it, and once you try it, you're going to tell me, you're going to put that in the comment, and I am sure that yours is going to be absolutely delicious as well. So thank you for spending that time with me and my mom. It was a beautiful time, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.